Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video I'm going to go and show you how to remap the buttons on your Nintendo Switch. So maybe you want I or maybe you want Y to actually be the A button or the right thumbstick or something like that. So you can go ahead and change any of these buttons around. If we go to System Settings right here, scroll on down on the left side, and then go to Controllers and Sensors and go to Change Button Mapping. You can customize button mapping for each controller. Let's select A on this. And then we have the right or the left Joy-Con. So let's just go to the bottom one, go to change. And you can see we can go to any of these buttons now. So like the R3 button, the right thumbstick. We can change this, and here's all the different options. We can change it to A. Capture button, we can disable it looks like. Then here's the D-pad buttons. We can go with the left stick. So any of these buttons on here you can completely remap anything to. So maybe if we're playing like a first person shooter or something, you want the right thumbstick to actually be like A or jump. That's typically what I do, so I'd probably put that to A. Or maybe even Rocket League. But a lot of games you can remap the controllers in the specific game as well, so you might not have to do it on the system level. But you can go to controller stick settings right here, and you can change to the left stick if you want to just flip the orientation. So you can come to this section at any point in time and just look at that, and here's display horizontally or vertically. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.